today's session is going to be about air filters, and I have Mr. Kushal, who is the Indian representative for BMC Air Filters. So he heads the country for the entire BMC Air Filter, and yes, so we will have a insightful session today. We had a good session yesterday as well. And so to start with, we'll talk about a very little introduction about BMC filter. So BMC air filter is one of the world's leader in production of air filters and intake systems in automobile sector, both for road and racing. So that is about BMC air filter. So it's one of the leading in the world, and they are operational in many countries. They have won multiple number of awards across all platforms. So, Mr. Kushal, can you just give us a little bit intro about BMC filter and its existence in India?
Yeah. First of all, thank you, Girish, for providing this platform to interact with you and, of course, our patrons and customers, whoever are live and whoever would see this video later as well. During this pandemic times, probably you're trying your best to get together people like us in such a
Yes.
platform to have some kind of an interaction, and probably for us to gauge whatever the customer expectation during these times as well.
Yes.
So first of all, thank you for the opportunity.
Thank you. Thanks for coming on and being generous enough to accept our invite and come online at these times where network is an issue as well from the place where you come now.
Okay, can I go ahead?
So we have certain questions overriding. Do you share direct difference between BMC? Yes, we'll take a lot of questions. So request all of them not to shoot any questions until we request you to go ahead with questions, because we will have a Q&A section. But before that, I have certain questions which I would go through, and I'm sure one of those questions would be something that you would want to know. Just to make sure this is a very structured interaction, not to have hustle and bustle in between having questions. So request all the audience not to send any questions till we have the Q&A session. We will try to keep this as periodic as possible in terms of interval. Every 10 minutes or so we will take in your questions. So please hold on to your questions, and Mr. Kushal will be more than happy to share his input on those. So Kushal, please give us a little background about BMC and its existence in India.
Okay, just a brief introduction about BMC. Most of the people ask us, what is BMC? So BMC is an Italian company, mainly manufacturing air filters for automotive, naval, aviation, and industrial use.
Okay.
BMC, in expanded form, stands for Bergami Motor Company.
Okay.
Dr. Gaetano Bergami is the founder, president for this company, and like most Italian companies are family owned, and this is one of them, and it's named after him as well. Okay. So he started this company in 1973. He used to distribute automotive components, and he's also built motorcycles for the racing during those times, racing in the tracks basically. So I think this went on for a very long time, and then their association with Ferrari, because typically BMC is located in Bologna. That's like the Motor Valley of Italy. They're very close to Ferrari, Lamborghini, Maserati, Ducati. All they are surrounded around us. So because of this, they were very well associated with Ferrari. And in 1996, they started the production of air filters. And probably the first air filter came from the truck. So you could gauge the quality of the filter that they started doing. way back then itself. And even now, they are continue to associate with Formula One, MotoGP, WRC, then DTM, and many other races across
Lam.
the world, because
Yes.
probably they specialize in terms of the products for the racing application, and would want the same technology to be used for the road. I mean, for the regular use of cars and bikes that they want to that knowledge to pass. So this is a brief about BMC, and in India, and we have an office in Bengaluru. Is probably to have a production facility in India.
Okay.
Maybe later sometime, probably due to this pandemic from last year, a lot of plans have been delayed. I think the first thing would be for us to be part of the Aero Show in the coming year in Bangalore, because we have products for the we build a complete air inlet barrier for the helicopters. With that, probably we would be making our first initiative in terms of production here in India. So currently we are in the process of getting for that. And
would start with my first question. So, does BMC produces only performance product or aftermarket filters too?
No, BMC, of course, BMC started with performance products for racing, rallying, and other motorsport application. But now we have a huge range of application for the aftermarket cars and motorcycles. Roughly, we are having around 12,000 parts for the cars, and around 2,000 odd products for the motorcycles.
Okay, so your primary base is for car.
I didn't get that.
So, is your primary product or your major supply goes to cars, or it's an equal proportion between car and bike?
No, we do aftermarket for both the cars and bikes as well. And for the Indian applications, we have around for the Indian application and around more than nearly 150 parts for the motorcycles currently, and more number adding because we develop filter parts as and when the new cars and bikes are released in India. Because if it's an India specific application, probably we'll have to develop it exclusively for this market.
Wow, that's wonderful. That's wonderful. So going on to my next question, which and how many filters are produced by BMC? You answered that there are 12,000 odd applications for cars and 2,000 odd for motorcycle. But then how many filters do you make in terms of, do you supply for all the brands, or is there limitations?
No, we are also tier 1 OE suppliers to high-end brands in Europe, and we also do the aftermarket for almost all brands. That includes like from Maruti Suzuki to Lamborghini. So, and in the same case with the motorcycle, we are in association with many manufacturers. So we have products for Ducati as well, and even for Royal Enfield and Bajaj in India.
Okay, so you have an entire line of. So you mean to say you have an entire line of products for various manufacturers?
Yes, and we are growing. It's after the Indian operation started. Probably we have introduced around 25 to 30 products specifically for India that has been developed specifically for India.
Okay, so going on to my next question, why cotton-based air filters are better than the synthetic ones?
You want to know the cotton air filter is better than synthetic. What is the difference, right?
Yes, what is the difference between the cotton, or is why cotton is better than the synthetic one?
Okay. Uh, Typically in the aftermarket, you find a lot of the synthetic filters because the cost factor. It is quite cheap.
Okay.
Then there's a huge difference in the performance as well as in the safety aspect. A synthetic filter is probably the medium that they use is plastic,
Mm-hmm.
and
Mm-hmm.
whatever pores those filtration medium have would allow the same kind size of dirt particle that is there. Okay, so in case if this is a cotton medium, because this is multi-layered and it is oiled, we use a low viscosity oil on the
Okay.
cotton medium, which is not used vis-a-vis in the synthetic medium. So
Okay.
the cotton and the oil, this can trap dust very effectively. At the same time,
Okay.
ensure maximum airflow. Whereas the synthetic ones
Okay.
would allow airflow, trapping of dust is not at all guaranteed. There's a huge risk. Let us say if there is a 50 micron hole, the synthetic
Mm-hmm.
filter would allow a 50 micron particle to pass inside. A 50 micron it is detrimental to your engine. I mean, you're done with it. So the risk
Okay.
of dirt particle getting in through a synthetic air filter is very high,
Okay.
and it is very safe with a cotton
Based.
medium air filter, because also one is the cotton, and along with that, the low viscosity oil ensures it can trap dust particles up to 7 microns.
Okay. Okay.
Whereas our manufacturers mandate to have dust protection up to 10 microns. So we are
Okay.
far better with this technology.
Much more
Yes.
efficient. Okay. So going on to my next
Yes.
question, what are replacement air filters, or what are replacement filters?
What are the different air filters that we have?
No, what are replacement filters?
Replacement filters.
Yes.
Yes. Stock systems that are there in your car or motorcycle. So we actually produce the same shape or the same size filter with a cotton element or this high performance element, which is oiled. And
Mm-hmm.
you will have to just remove your existing paper filter or a sponge filter that is there in your car or motorcycle and replace with a cotton filter of the same size. This will be made
Okay.
exactly to the same size. So without any hassle, one can easily replace it and start using it. That's a
So
replacement filter.
okay, so what benefit does BMC gives over the OEM filters? What benefit does it add on?
Yes. See, being cotton, we are ensuring more airflow into the engine. Okay.
Okay.
This is so you into the engine, which would ensure better combustion,
Mm-hmm.
and the performance of the engine is going to improve.
Okay.
Okay, and the area of filtration is also much higher in a BMC air filter when you compare to the OE air filter.
OEM.
So you are
Okay.
actually trying to, yeah. So it's more efficient in terms of sending in good pure air inside, and the second best thing, it's washable and reusable. So you
Okay.
don't have to throw away your filter. You can wash it in periodic intervals and regenerate the filter and put it back, and it'll also save cost
Okay.
in the long run. Yes.
So we'll take one of our audience questions. So somebody has asked us a question. So let's take that. I think it is one Mr. If you could just read the this thing question, I'll just tell you. It's by the big man. Can you tell me the exact time till how long I can use the cotton filter before washing, and as I'm using my vehicle in a extremely dusty area.
Okay.
So could you?
See, they say 20,000 kilometers, which is not applicable to our Indian conditions because it's very dusty and there's always some construction activity that happens around us. So we suggest every 10,000 kilometers or within 15,000 kilometers, please, if it is a replacement filter, please check your filter. And in case you are actually driving through some dusty roads, it is better you take this interval much earlier, or a physical examination is the best thing for you to determine when you need washing. If it is completely
So
black, completely dusty, if dust is settled on top of it, it is better you do it without considering this interval what we suggest. So physical
so you may
examination of a filter is much.
so you're saying it's subjective. So as per the standard, it's about whatever 10, 15,000 kilometers or 20,000 kilometers. But you normally suggest if they are in an extremely dusty area, they physically examine the air filter, and basis that they go ahead with the wash of the air filter, right?
Yes, yes. And we suggest they use a BMC washing kit to do that. That comes with a washing liquid and a regeneration oil. So after we wash, we need to dry the filter, regenerate it with the oil, and then use it. So we suggest them to use a BMC washing kit when they do this.
So hope the big man gets his answer from this. Thank you for asking this question. We'll try to take another question. We had somebody else asking another question. So let me just scroll through that. I think that was Mr. Devaya or somebody who had a question earlier. So I am just taking it down. So what was that? Big man. And then we sorry, Kushal, I'm just taking a little more time because I just want to ensure people who have asked questions get to know. Okay, Shamant, two opposite weather conditions for both of you guys. Yes, exactly. We have extremely two different places. I am in a complete summer based area, and Kushal is in Coorg. So I can't figure out the next question. Okay, I got BMC DIA for my Thar. I must say I'm really happy with it and the performance. So this is by Kiran. Thank you, Kiran. Thank you for sharing your experience about BMC air filter with Thar vehicle, and so happy that you are extremely satisfied with that particular filter, which is good. And yeah, so you see that smile on Kushala's face, which tells that he is happy as well because his product has proved and made him proud. So yes, so we will take a quick question session now. If anybody wants to shoot in your questions, please throw in the question before I can start again, and we'll take this. And then if there's nobody asking, yeah. Hi Oswald. Hi. Good evening. So before we go ahead with the next question, I would want our audience to ask if they have any questions. Been using BMC on my all vehicles. Wonderful. That's brilliant. So we have couple of your customers as well, Kushala, who have come online today. So which is a testimony of how good your product is. So do we have any questions, audience? Do we have any questions, or should I go ahead with our my regular scheduled questions? So I don't see. Okay, Kiran has given his testimony. Okay. So, Kushal, are we good to go next? So, can I ask my next question?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Sure, sure. Go ahead.
So does a BMC air filter needs to be oiled before its first usage?
Can you please repeat?
Do you need to oil the BMC filter? So imagine I purchase a BMC filter. Before I use it, do I need to oil it?
No, no, no. When it's coming from the factory, so you don't need to oil before you install it. You install it directly. None of an easy question to answer.
Okay, so we have one of our guests who has asked a question saying that how competitive BMC compared to K&N filter. So Kushala, you are the best person to answer this. So could you just answer this question?
Uh, so in comparison, I mean, we do not want to compare ourselves with any of our probably all our like I mentioned, we the filter was invented in a racetrack, so it's comes with an extreme or probably say with maximum technical inputs that has been transferred to even as the aftermarket filters that we supply. So for us, performance is important, and we have taken care of that with the cotton that we use, with the oiling process that we do, and the technology in it ensures there is no cracks in the joints around the filter. The polyurethane frame is very sturdy, so it doesn't crack, and if you can wash it and regenerate it regularly, it will last your lifetime of the car or motorcycle. So
Brilliant.
in terms of the performance, probably I can vouch for it. We are much ahead of the competition, and all our customers are happy, and probably even our customers feel and they give the feedback in terms of experienced this advantage in performance using BMC air filters. And like the tagline
Okay.
goes, it's a choice of champions. So even in the Indian motorsport scene, probably I think it's always a BMC on the top.
Wow, that is wonderful. I think the tagline itself answers the question of our guest. So it's a champion selection. So we have one more guest asking one of our other person who's joined saying that how can he clean his BMC filter at home itself without having the BMC kit, as in the cleaning kit? Can you just throw some light on that? I'll tell you who has asked this question. So it is Rohan KS. How can I clean BMC filter from home without cleaning kit? Can you just throw some light?
I mean, without the cleaning kit, cleaning the filter is a bit tricky. I mean, representing the company, I should not be saying this, but in an extreme situation, if you have to clean your filter without the cleaning kit, the best thing is to use very mild soap solution where you can actually dip the filter into that and ensure the dirt loosens a bit. But I suggest a very mild solution, because um, if it's a very hard
Concentrated.
soap solution, it could damage the cotton because it's very soft, and over a period of time it becomes hard if you're going to use something other than a cleaner. So in case it's some extreme situation you will have to use, I'll suggest you can use some mild soap solution to wash the filter. And of course, the oil part, I don't think there is an alternative. A lot of people
Okay.
use many other stuffs which I don't want to suggest here, but that would not be an alternative in terms of regenerating the filter. At least the worst thing probably you
Okay.
can do is put back the filter after drying it, drive to a place where you can get the oil from your tuner or your service center, apply it, and then use it. So that makes, because it's a low viscosity oil. So an
Yes.
alternative,
Yes.
we cannot suggest right.
Okay, thank you so much for answering that question, Kushal. And one of our guests who's joined us, Oswald, also says we can relate to BMC more often when we get stickers, keychains, caps, or T-shirts. So, do you have any giveaway possibly today? If anybody sends in a request to BMC, those are very limited to people who have joined this session only. Is it a thing? I know it's a random question, Kushal, but then I'm just asking because one of our guests who's joined has asked us.
Girish, I missed something.
Yeah, I said Oswald has asked for some keychain or a sticker or a cap uh, which is branded by BMC. Are you willing to give away something like that today for our audience?
Sure. I can do that. Probably some key fobs. I would send it to you to give it away to all the people who have joined and who are
Okay.
part of this discussion.
So whoever is a part of this discussion, if they want any kind of giveaway, please send in a screenshot of this session. Only if you send a screenshot of this session and message me or BMC India directly, we will try to figure out how we can give you something. But this is very subjective to you taking a screenshot right away and sending it to either BMC India or to me, and I will coordinate with them. Nobody else can force this. So that's why I'm trying to make very, very sure that you were a part of this discussion and you need to take a screenshot and share it. So hope that works with you, Kushala.
Girish, I missed it.
So I said somebody who takes a screenshots and sends it, only they are eligible to get something from BMC.
Sure. We'll do that. That's for sure.
Yeah, and also what one of our guests has asked, what is the full form of BMC? If you can repeat it, you've already told that in the beginning of this session, but then
Yeah, the full form of BMC is Bargami Motor Company.
yes, there you have it. Bargami Motor Company, that's the full form of BMC. And we have one more question, I think, from somebody named Rohan. Let me just, okay, now, thank you so much, guys, for making this session so interactive. So, Rohan, what is the question? One second. Kushala, are you able to access there? How can I identify the product is genuine in case I am purchasing from a local store? Okay, so how do you find out the genuinity of the product if somebody is buying locally?
Okay. One thing is like the BMC box will have imported and marketed sticker attached to it with the MRP from BMC Air Filters India Private Limited. Second thing is probably you can see a part code that is there on the filter box. And when you open the filter box, there is a part code also on the frame of the filter, on the air filter. So you can tally that. So if there is a part code, the same part code for whichever vehicle that you're looking at, let's say you are looking for a Royal Enfield Himalayan, the part code is FM966/08. The same part code is engraved on the filter as well. So, and it's been tough for people here to to get duplicates of this as of now. And fortunately, we have only one production facility that's in Italy. All the filters the BMC sells in India is all manufactured in Italy and Italy only.
Brilliant. So you are saying the first copy or a duplicate of this is very rare.
I mean, there is no possibility of a first copy in our product as of now.
Brilliant. That's wonderful. And yes, thank you, Oswald, for sending the screenshot. Yes, So people who send a screenshot of this live session will get a goodie from BMC. And thank you for suggesting that, Oswald. So do we have any other question? Aha. So we have. Okay. Wow. Sounds really good, Oswald. Yes. So we've got somebody. Okay, Kushala. So Shaman says good. Okay, so let me go on to the next question. So, what is the difference between your standard regular BMC filter versus performance filter? Is there a clear cut difference, or it is the same?
You're talking about a conical filter and the replacement filter
Yes, yes, replacement filter.
and a conical filter, right?
No, no, no. So, I'm asking what is the difference between standard and race in performance filter? What is the difference between your standard and a race bike filter?
And the race filter.
Yes.
Okay. See, the standard filter is made with 4 layers of cotton,
Okay.
which is sandwiched between wire mesh, which is epoxy coated. And this is for the standard application. Whereas a race filter, wherein the part code has got an additional tag of race mentioned in that. And
Okay.
here, we are using only 3 layers of cotton, which is
Okay.
sandwiched between the wire mesh. So we have reduced the layers in a race filter.
For a
Ideally, this
better
is
air
meant
intake.
for higher air intake, and this is actually meant for a track use. So we do not suggest
Okay.
somebody using a race filter for a daily commute or a normal road use. So it has to be used in a
Okay.
controlled environment where the dust is much lower. So you always have a
Okay.
risk of sending in uh, some dirt particle in case you're using it for your daily drive.
Brilliant. Brilliant. Thank you so much for
Yeah.
telling me that. So next, I want to know what are universal conical filters.
What do you say?
What are the universal conical filters?
Yeah, universal conical filters. Yes, apart from the replacement filters, we do have the universal conical filters, which are cone shaped, and there are 2 variants in that. One, what we call a single air, wherein the top portion has got a plastic or a metal top, and the other one is a twin air, which will have an opening even in the center as well. So there is more airflow in a twin air compared to a single air universal filter.
Okay.
Based on the application, I mean, most of the universal filters are installed by our tuners who
Mm-hmm.
would suggest the requirement based on the uh, tuning requirements of their customers. And
Okay.
the sizes also can be determined by the space available and the engine and the tuning. The tuner would go ahead with the cars and bikes.
Okay. Good. So we have one more question from this is saying that is there more possibility of water by moisture increase if you use the DIA in monsoon?
Can you repeat, please?
So one of our guests is asking if there are more possibility of moisture or water settling in if you use the DIA filter during monsoon.
No, I think you're cracking up, Girish. Probably I didn't get that.
Okay, if you just go through in your screen the second question, is there more possibility of water or moisture?
More possibility of water or moisture?
If you use during monsoon. If you use the DIA in monsoon season.
If you use DIA during monsoon,
Yes, yes, yes.
probably they have to use the long hose that has been provided and avoid the air intake ramming from the front, and probably divert it to the other side, to the reverse side. Probably
Okay.
this is one of the options to avoid moisture take during the monsoon time. Or in case you have a snorkel, it's better you connect to a snorkel, which is again where the intake has to be reversed and not facing the side where the air is actually ramming in.
Okay. And one of the other person has asked effects of using conical filters in monsoon.
What is that?
Effects of using a conical filter in monsoon.
So you can use, but if there is an is a water intake, probably then you will be screwing up the engine. So that's the difficulty. If you can actually be careful, you can use your a universal conical filter.
Okay, okay. So did we have another question here? It has this thing. Okay, what happened next? Okay. So going on to my next question, how does the engine performance improve by installing a BMC air intake system?
The engine performance,
How does the engine performance improve by installing a BMC intake system?
yeah. See, the cold air intakes are the oxygen gets into the engine. In a cold air intake. Okay, so this definitely requires a tuning
Okay.
because there is a change in the stoichiometry because you are actually sending in more air than what is actually there required, and reprogramming would definitely help to optimize the performance. So
Okay.
this is probably, I could say, it has to be done through a tuner who would actually suggest the size of a cold air intake based on the engine size of your car and the modification that he is going to carry on.
Okay.
But the performance increase would be like around 15% than whatever a stock
The
car
stock is.
can do.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
That's the kind of
Oh,
improvement you
pretty.
can expect after installing a cold air intake kit.
And is it easy to install a intake kit for a car? Is it very easy to install, or do you need a professional person to do it?
See, if you're very technically sound and if you have the tools, probably in some of the cars it's possible. But we suggest you take tuner's help, because once you have to remove the complete existing original air box, the whole assembly needs to be removed. Then
Okay.
probably you have to make a small plumbing or use a hose or a pipe, whatever is. It has to be customized to install a conical filter or a cold air intake. Depending on the size, you'll have to decide on a filter. We have various sizes of these filters. So this technical input is better acknowledged with the help of a tuner. So
Technician.
I suggest,
Okay.
they take a tuner's help to get this installed.
Okay. So we have one more person who has joined the interaction. He's got a question regarding his EcoSport, saying that do you suggest stock replacement BMC filter in monsoon, as on Ford EcoSport air is directly from the front grille?
I think probably the manufacturer would have considered this thing before putting in a filter or an intake in the front grille. Most of the cars have the intake approach in the front itself, but the path will not be a straight path. There'll be some kind of a deviation and it would be made to that the air, so the water doesn't get it. So
Okay.
such kind of an arrangement will already be there in a manufacturer's planning. So you
Setup.
don't have to worry putting a stock replacement filter for any of the cars. So it's good to drive with a stock replacement filter even in monsoons. There is no issues.
Superb, superb. And would you recommend a BMC air filter for regular commuter car or a regular commuter motorcycle?
BMC air filter?
For a regular commuter motorcycle or a car, would you recommend for a BMC replacement filter?
Yes, definitely. Probably for anybody, the first step, which it's even a do-it-yourself kind of a thing.
Mm-hmm.
At least it will, your engine will breathe better. It will last longer. It is more safe, and you don't have the hassle of replacing it every time you service your car. So you can wash it yourself and dry it and put it back, regenerate the filter and put it back. So there is a good amount of advantage when you actually go in for a replacement filters for your daily drive cars and motorcycles. Probably that's the most selling part, even for as a company for us.
Oh, that's good. That's good. So we have one more question from our audience, Praveen Naik, saying that what is the difference between OTA and DIA, or OTA is better than DIA?
Yeah, definitely. If any customer has got the budget to buy an OTA, OTA is an oval trumpet airbox. This is a patented airbox, specially designed in case you have very less space in your engine bay, because it can be mounted either ways because of the oval shape, and it is completely carbon fiber. So this would ensure even it is being installed closer to the engine, it would not transfer the heat into the cold air intake. So oval trumpet airbox would give you the maximum performance. Probably if you see all the VW Motorsport cars that run in India, the track cars, all of them run on the oval trumpet airbox. But the DIA, not to roll out, this is a junior intake kit. It's very popular because as a price conscious country, this is the first step to first intake that most of the people can afford, and it's also quite effective. No doubt.
Okay. And what is the basic price of a BMC filter, irrespective of whichever application? What is the basic pricing that starts replacement filter versus a performance filter?
Price, because India is a very price conscious market. For the cars, it starts at 3,990, 3,990, and for the bikes, it starts at 2,990.
Okay, so we have one more question saying that I'm a proud owner of a Ford, unable to get hands on BMC for my Figo. So do you have a BMC filter for Figo?
The Ford Figo, yes, we have. We have for both for the petrol and the diesel as well. So.
Okay, Oswald, there you have your answer. So they have filters for both diesel and petrol Figo. So you can send in your request in BMC India, and Kushala would be more than happy to answer you and tell you where you can go. Since you're also from Bangalore, it would be much easier, Oswald, for you to go and pick one and collect it. So these were pretty much the questions which I had to ask you, and mention the year. So yeah, so depending upon which year make, probably based on that you would want to suggest the filter. Thank you, Monkey Autocraft, for sharing that info. It depends on the year. So we have Shamant from Monkey Autocraft. So thank you everyone who's been a part of this discussion. And like I mentioned, so if you send a screenshot of this session today and share it with me or BMC Filters India, you have a chance, or you will get a Goody from BMC Filter. Yeah, he says it's 2018 model. So, yes, 2018 model, 1.5 diesel. So, do you have the application for that, Kushala?
Yeah, we do have for that.
Okay, so now you know
No
Oswald where
problem.
to connect. So we have Ragul saying, "Hi Kushal sir and Girish sir. By any chance, changing filters will reduce mileage?" Kushala, please answer this. By changing air filter, does your motorcycle mileage reduces?
See, changing air filters should not reduce your mileage because see, you're not going to do anything with the tune. This will actually help your engine get more oxygen, so the combustion should be much better. So it should only improve. So there is no
Yes.
possibility that the mileage will reduce.
Okay, and you will have a better initial throttle response as well, if I'm not wrong. Hi Usman, am I right, Kushala? So, because of bad connectivity at Coorg, from where Kushala currently is doing his live Insta live, that's why there is a lag between what I'm asking a question and vis-a-vis when Kushal is answering. So, thank you so much for being cooperative with us and listening to our small session and asking your questions as well. So Kushala, do you have anything else to share with us or myth buster? So one of the myth buster is by installing a air filter, it does not reduce your mileage. So that is a myth, and that is busted now in this session. Uh, Kushala, does installing a BMC air filter um, put any additional pressure on your engine?
Installing a BMC air filter?
Does it impact your engine negative way?
No, BMC air filter installation of an BMC air filter will not negatively affect an engine because, like I mentioned, the filtration, the particle filtration is up to 7 microns, whereas the manufacturer mentions it to be a minimum of 10 microns. So typically, the paper filters are made to ensure that particle size of up to 10 microns don't get in. So we as
Yes.
smallest as
So that's
that's a myth.
another myth.
So that doesn't hold good because we have many happy customers who have been using this product for a very long time, and I mean, in spite of they using the filter for a long time, they have regularly cleaned their filters, regenerated the filters. So that is important. So people would lose their thought on cleaning the filter and regenerating the filter at regular intervals. So that is the key to ensure that your engine is safe. So
Another
as long
myth.
as you're doing that, yeah,
Okay, and another myth buster. Do you need to have a piggy bag installed if you need to put BMC air filter or an air filter?
do you need?
To have a piggy bag installed to install a BMC air filter?
You need to have a piggyback tuning.
Yes. Do you need to have that to install a BMC air filter?
Now, whenever they do a tuning of a car, probably that would require you are trying to enhance the performance of the engine. So that's when an air filter is required because you want to send in more air to ensure to get maximum from the engine. So whenever they're using a tuning box or a piggyback kit, so they definitely need to use an air filter, a high performance air filter. So
Okay, but then if you
so we
have to
have
use a BMC filter, you need not have a picky back.
some tuner who is going to tune the ECU, reprogram the ECU. The filters are definitely used.
Okay, but then you don't need tuning or these picky back to install a BMC filter, right?
No. A replacement filter doesn't need any kind of a tune or a piggyback ECU. But
Yes.
when a customer would definitely install a piggyback ECU, he would go in for an air filter. That's
Yes. Yeah. So that's another myth buster saying that if you have to install a air filter, you don't need a ECU. But then if you have to install a ECU, you definitely need a, better air intake or a better air filter.
correct.
Brilliant, brilliant. So is there any other myth busters that you would want to share with our audience?
Yeah, probably I think you have covered most of it. I think still some customers would have some peculiar inputs and um, thoughts among their circles, among their groups, uh, which keeps
Yes.
coming up. Probably, I think whenever we do a next session, probably I think we'll talk about that.
Yes, we'll definitely talk about that. And thank you so much to be a part of this and sharing your time, valuable time during this pandemic, and coming online with us, sharing your thoughts and sharing your expertise in this field because you have been with the BMC for a very, very long time. And, not just with BMC, with understanding this automotive, industry for a long, long time. So your inputs are much valued, and it's been a very entertaining and informative session. And we also answered a lot of questions which our audience had. So thank you for making this happen. And also for all the audience, stay tuned for another session tomorrow as well. So we will have ECU expert talking tomorrow. So we'll have Race Dynamics coming on board to do another session tomorrow regarding performance upgrade. And yes, I wanted to line this up very next after BMC air filter was because once you know what is an air filter, then you definitely want to know how to upgrade or you would want to increase the performance of your motorcycle. So I wanted the topic to be interlinked. So that's why we're going to talk about race dynamics tomorrow, and we'll have somebody from race dynamics representing and please keep your questions ready if you have anything, and we will make it as interactive as possible. And yes, is there anything else that you would want to tell before you say bye to our audience, Kushala?
Yes, I just want to put this one where Praveen has mentioned piggyback ECU is the next step after an air filter. Probably yes. That's how
Exactly.
that's one thing which most customers needs to know, because first probably they get the first step of ensuring more airflow, and probably then the ECU
Yes.
tune, then probably get to the
Yes.
exhaust part. So this is a complete cycle that a customer has to look
Yes.
at.
So that's why I planned it in that manner because the first step is step towards understanding a better air intake, and then, like you rightly mentioned, is ECU, and probably next is the exhaust. So, thank you everyone. Stay at home, stay safe. Please follow all COVID 19 safety measures and keep your loved ones and your friends and close people safe by staying at home. And please share if you guys want to have any such interesting topics to be done down the lane. I would be more than happy to get industry experts on board, one like what we have currently today, which is Kushala, and like we had yesterday and tomorrow as well. So please send in your comments, and let's make this more interesting in the coming days. And thank you so much for sharing your valuable time, Kushala. It has been wonderful. So with that, we call it an end of the session.
Yeah, thank you, Girish. Thank you for the opportunity, and thank you all of them who have joined this session live and asked questions and suggested. Given their inputs as well. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a lovely day. Bye bye, guys.